Hi guys, how's everything? Good? Today I'm here to teach you how to do a church for your Bible class. This little church I used on my last video to help me tell the beginner Sabbath school lesson, Jesus Goes to Church. I hope you guys like it. So here's what you're gonna need. The templates that are available down below in the description, foam paper for the roof, the walls, and the details like the door, windows, and cross, a shoebox, scissors, and foam glue. Okay, let's start then. First, we will cut our template of the walls of the church. I'm cutting the wings out because the folding wings don't really work with the foam paper. The foam paper is too thick. So, now that my wall template is cut out, we will draw its shape onto the foam paper. Now, I just want to let you know that depending on the size of the shoebox, you will have to adapt either the size of the template or the size of the box. On my case, I'll have to adjust both. As you can see, this side of the church will be this size over here. So I'll have to extend the wall a little bit. Lucky me, because my foam paper is a little longer than my template. So here it is. Now we need to repeat this step once again. So we have the four sides of our church. And now we cut them out. After we're done cutting our church walls, we go back to the same template, but now we'll cut our cross, our door, and windows out without damaging the body, okay? Nor the details of the church, because we will need every single part of it intact. And now we will draw the details of our little church onto its walls. So here's where our door will go. Now we go back to the door template and we will cut it a little further because our little door needs to be functioning properly. After that, we draw where the door will open and close, and also draw where the windows will be placed, okay? Then we draw the windows on our other set of walls as well, not the doors, okay? Okay, now it's time to cut our door open. So we need to cut it in here and here, okay? And now we have a functioning door. We're going to place this part to the side, and I'm going to resize my box now because my box is a little too big for the size of my church template, see? So I'll mark my box and then grab my scissors and cut it out. Once that part is done, we will wear the bigger part of the box on top of the smaller, like this, see? But before we glue it together, we will need to cut the opening to the church door. So we go back to our template, draw the door exactly where it will need to be cut open on both parts of my box, and then we cut it off. Now we use our hot glue gun and glue both parts of our box together. After our box is resized, we glue our church walls into the box. So I'll use my foam glue. Let me just say I have never used this glue before, so I don't know if it really works, but by the end of the video we will know, okay? We need the shoebox to give our church stability. That's why we use a shoebox. Now that this part is done, we go on to build our roof. For that, we will grab our roof template and cut it out. Once we're done, we will transfer it to the foam paper and do the same. After that's done, we fold it in the middle and draw it with a heavy hand on the inside part of the roof, just to make a little indentation to make it easier to fold. You see? Now our crease looks neat. Now it's time to go back to our previous project and glue the other set of walls and the roof to the church. Okay guys, I'll be honest with you. I'm not liking this foam glue. It's taking too long to dry, and it's just not fast enough for me. So I'll use my hot glue gun instead. Look, our little church is starting to take shape. But we're not there just yet. We still need to make our little church tower, right? So we grab our third template where we will find our tower walls and roof. We cut the templates out of the paper and transfer its shapes to the designated colored foam papers. We will mark our indentations to make it easier to fold, just like we did to the roof. Now we cut the exterior part out and fold it. Now, we glue this part using the hot glue gun, but please watch it because the hot glue dries extremely fast and you could damage it, okay? So pay attention. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. These lower folding wings are giving me a lot of trouble, so I'll cut them off and use my hot glue very carefully to attach my tower to the roof of the church. And now it's time to make our tower roof. We do the same as we did with the wall. Then we mark our indentations and cut out the exterior lines of the roof. After that, we use this folding wing to glue the roof closed. Then we glue the roof to the walls of the tower with our hot glue gun right over here. And now we just need the details of our church and then we'll be done. So we grab our brown foam paper and transfer our cross, door, and window shapes to it. I'll make 6 windows because it will look better this way. But you're free to do as many as you want, okay? Now that we are done, we will glue them to our little church. And here you go. Our little church is done. You see, the little door opens and closes. And this way, the members of the church can go in and out of it. Cool, right? I hope you guys liked it. God blessings to all of you, and until next time. Did you like the video? If so, subscribe to our channel and leave us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to click the bell to receive notifications of new videos.